Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make your Afro wig using attachments expression braiding hair. So I used 1 pack of this expression braiding hair color 1B. Be needing a straw. Now if you want to get a straw, get a stronger one. So first is to open the attachment, then you cut it into 2. Now after cutting the hair into 2, get smaller amounts of the hair, then roll it through your straw like so. Roll all the hair, like all the 1 pack of attachment throughout in your straw. Roll this way. I think this is self-explanatory. I will allow you guys watch through and I'll be back. Now after rolling your attachment through in your straw, put all your attachments inside the bowl and then pour hot water on it. Allow it to stay like 10 minutes, then drain it out. Allow the hair to dry. This is already when the hair is already dried. Next thing to do is to unravel the hair like so. to crochet your wig cap, apply a cream throughout the hair, then separate it like so. Do this for easy separation, and then you can crochet throughout your wig cap. Now to crochet your wig cap, pull your needle through your wig cap like so, grab the hair, and then you create a knot. Now I noticed the thing was untying. I had to tie it to wise to secure it properly. So if you're making yours, tie it to wise so it won't unravel. So the Afro wig is coming together now. Now this is how the wig look after crocheting throughout without trimming it down. You can actually wear it like this, but I went further to trim the hair down a little bit. Now if you want to get the afro looking hair, all you have to do is just comb it through a little bit, then it will look like the real afro. So I went further to see how the hair looks on my hair. You can wear this wig when your hair is braided down, but I decided to wear this wig because I don't have time to braid my hair. So here I'm just unraveling my front hair to brush it through with the Afro wig. Now if you're wondering how long this wig will last, it lasts very well, unlike doing your Afro wig with your kinky hair, that after like a month the hair start getting shrink and dry. For this one, it lasts very well. The more old it gets, the more natural it gets and the more beautiful it gets. So the picture I added to this clip was like after 1 week of making the wig, and it was still looking very fine. So thank you guys for watching till the end. Please don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to my channel, like my video, share my video, and I will sure see you guys in my next one. Bye.